President of the United States no longer has his bullhorn. Twitter permanently suspended President Trump's account this week, citing concerns with his ability to incite violence. But some say it is big tech suppressing conservatives. CBS 4's Dylan Thomas joins us live tonight. And Dylan, social media experts say Twitter executives were within their rights to mute the president.
Yeah, Kathy, while many may argue whether or not that was the right decision, one thing is evidently clear. Twitter legally muted the president. Twitter did not violate his First Amendment rights. Unlike this public sidewalk at this public park I'm at right now, Twitter is a private platform. My rights right here where I'm standing are not equivalent to those on Twitter.
This is something that has been long sort of anticipated.
Just over a week before he departs the White House, Twitter officially shut down President Donald Trump's account for good.
And this is something that Twitter has been threatening to do for a very long time.
But many have said actions taken by Twitter, shutting down the president's personal and campaign pages, is an act of suppression against conservatives as a whole. But as DU professor Darrigan Silver points out,
Twitter did not break the law at all. This is not constitutional law. This is contract law.
Because Twitter is a private company and platform, First Amendment rights are swapped for terms and agreements upon signing up, and those prohibit inciting violence.
A lot of people talk about corporations' agendas. Twitter can do what it wants to. And so he was really using this system that wasn't set up for government communication to be government communication because it got around the media that he so much didn't like.
Silver says Trump's ban from Twitter should start a conversation.
Some of the largest platforms for discourse are owned by private companies. So it brings up a lot of issues that are very interesting. And so I think this is a great topic that you're covering, and I think people should know more about it and should talk more about it.
Now, as Colorado State University professor Michael Humphrey told me, there is one big dispute that's going on online right now, and that comes down to people raising flags about Twitter being inconsistent with their enforcement. Some say other politicians and public figures are getting away with stuff that President Trump was banned for. Reporting live tonight in Windsor, Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.